SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy is the question. I'm going to be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Now, here's the thing with super microcomputers. Like, I'm looking to double down and buy, hopefully coming in on Monday, but I'm not in any sort of rush. Now, why am I saying this? Well, I'm still going to stick to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos. And how things are looking like for me is that if I was only really willing to buy if I saw a shift, right? And that's still the same way that I'm looking to freaking take things up going into this next week. It's just that I'm not going to randomly start buying, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, that's my demand zone. The only thing that I wanted to see is just like a proper shift and a double break. And then ultimately, okay, my bad, let's go up here. I mean, it all began here. I have like 7, 8 trades here, from which like I have 3 break-evens. Now I have like 1 break-even, 2 losses, and 4 wins. Began from here when it was 33, and then I'm looking to double down only if I see this shift, right? So I'm willing to buy more from the swing perspective if I see that double break happening, and if not, pure noise, right? Like, other than that, I'll continue to keep you updated. I mean, I have a lot of links on SMCI and even a bunch of receipts in the Discord. So really, there is not lack of coverage in SMCI on here. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description. I will surely continue to keep you updated.